Again, this does not have to be pretty when you're doing this, because you're going to come back with a roller, a wet paint roller, and I'll show you here how to do that and get it to pull up a little bit. So again, I'm just covering the entire surface here with this mud and have something to work with and cause the stipple effect. I'm not putting it on very, what's the word, very heavy. Just applying it with a thin coat, just enough to cover it all. Alright guys, so my light just went out, so we're going to have to stop right here for a little bit. But I'm just going over this with a wet roller brush, and it's not sopping wet, so don't worry about that. Just smoothing out everything. Going up here as we can. Don't get your brush terribly like dripping wet. It's not necessary in this. All you're doing is just going over it and letting the brush fibers kind of smooth things out, and also we're doing this where it looks so much better. Alright, we're going to do this and let it go ahead and dry and come back and put a final coat on it.